Welcome everyone to the home of Carolina Aircraft, Piedmont Triad International Airport. May K. Bueller here with an exceptional A36 to show you today. She is a showstopper, and when it comes to avionics, this is one of the finest equipped aircraft we have ever sold. She's turbo-normalized, low time, so much to love here. Let's take a look. So let's check out your special edition engine. Teledyne Continental IO550 300 horsepower turbo-normalized. So yes, this is the Tornado Alley STC. We have the turbo fuel injectors, special edition, as I said, 1,485 hours on the engine, airframe, and prop sense new. And when it comes to Tornado Alley to the Whirlwind STC, you know what that means? We can fly higher and have sea level power up to 20,000 feet, burn less fuel, and have cooler engine temps. The exterior of this A36 is in pristine prime condition. White overall with maroon and gold stripes, only $14.85 total time since new. So with that Tornado Alley STC, of course, being turbo-normalized, yes, we can fly higher and faster, but we can do it in comfort too, because this A36 has factory air conditioning. Now your passengers are going to love it because, well, just check out the interior. It is beautiful. So right now the seats are in a club seating configuration, but it's versatile. As you know, we can switch the seats around. If everybody wants to face forward, we could do that. Or let's say we want to remove a seat or stow one. I don't need any tools to do that. Actually, all I need to do is pick up on a bar here, pull a pin, and we're in business. So come on in and check out the interior. It's in great condition. Beautiful tan leather seats, gorgeous carpet in perfect condition, a lovely executive writing desk, and we do have a 6-place intercom system plus 6-place built-in oxygen. So let's check out the flight deck. It is a dream. You can easily see why this aircraft was on display in the Garmin booth at Oshkosh. You'll enjoy the Garmin G600 3-axis Autopilot flight control system with yaw damp, altitude, and vertical speed select. Your Garmin G500 EFIS primary flight display and multifunction flight display with synthetic vision. Dual Garmin 750 GPS navcoms with WAAS. Garmin remote audio panel with intercom system and Bluetooth. You'll also appreciate the Garmin active traffic system, transponder with ADS-B weather and traffic displayed on the G500 and 750s, Stormscope, radar altimeter, digital engine analyzer and monitor, now that replaces the standard gauges, flight stream, wireless connectivity, and so much more. So much to love here with this gorgeous, exceptional A36. Now remember, she's low time. She's $19.99, but she is like new. We have the Tornado Alley STC. We can fly higher and faster with less fuel and cooler engine temps. The flight deck, exceptional. In fact, as I said earlier, this aircraft was once on display at Oshkosh in the Garmin booth because she is that beautiful. Just an incredible flight deck. All the avionics you could ever dream of. Great interior, lots to love, and we know this airplane isn't going to last, so we do ask you to call us as soon as possible if you're interested. Folks, better days are ahead. You may as well get ready now to fly away to your dream destinations. For Carolina Aircraft, I'm May K. Bueller. Thanks so much for watching.